Hello friends of the Teeworlds, currently playing on BL map Chill, and I just wanted to talk about that topic with you guys. Today I want to convince you guys to update to the new version of Teeworlds. If you didn't know, there's a new version out. It's called Teeworlds 0.7. It's a new major release. There has been no major release since 8 years, so it's tricky to kind of convince all of you guys. But the thing is, many people probably didn't hear of a new version, so there's a new version. Go check it out, teeworlds.com. If you want a custom client, I'll link Dune's client, the gamer client, and my custom client, which has some basic ddrace features for 0.7. Yes, and then you can explore the servers you can find there yourself. The thing is, I'm not like exaggerating here. I made around 30 videos in different locations over weeks, trying to bring some convincing arguments for everybody. And it just didn't work out, and I don't want to make a 30-minute video nobody is going to watch anyways. So if you know there's a new version, please, and you don't want to update, please try it again. If there's something that bothers you, please try to convince the people who are maybe capable of fixing your problem to help you. For example, if you're missing a server or a client or whatever, try to convince your server hoster, your developer. If you're missing YouTubers, content creators, whatever, you know, you name it, then try to find the responsible people for the things you lack in the new version, and try to convince them to bring their value to the new version. If you don't know who to contact or where to report stuff you are unhappy about in the new version, you can always contact me. And like if something bothers you about the new version, there's a bug or whatever, or there's a feature missing, or if there's any reason that holds you back from updating, let me know. Also write it in the comment sections, and feel free to contact me every day, every night. I'm always on. I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I have good internet here, and I'm happy to answer your requests and questions. Yeah, I think it would be really healthy if we have one big community again, and because the one big community, which is currently split up in 0.6 and 0.7, is not big at all, and we are struggling to fill up the servers. So don't make it harder by like saying 0.6 is gonna stay here forever. I mean, like 0.7 is the logical update. The thing is, 0.7 is basically just a new protocol, a networking protocol, and that means like when there are some changes you don't like about 0.7, it's very likely that those changes can be reverted. For example, the 0.6 menu was ported to the 0.7 client by the feature. Filters and server details from 0.6 is back. And what I mean by that is that 0.7 is basically just a networking protocol, and to update to 0.7 you just have to stay somewhat compatible to that protocol. And you still have a lot of freedom, especially with the look of the client, for example, and also server modifications. It's just the future, it's just improvements. The 0.7 protocol tries to fix some security vulnerabilities, like the master server downtime by caching the server list, and also makes spoofing impossible, and is thus a secure protocol. Yeah, but from the user experience we can still reproduce basically everything that we loved about the 0.6 version. And if you want to see how it actually looks like, I have my ZillyWoods client here open. This is the 0.7 menu. It looks pretty neat in my opinion. This is like edited by my custom client, and we also have yikes, what is that animal? We also have BL Chill ported by Foconaut, and pretty much DDNet++ like server here where I like to play. So there's some content already, and we have a city modification in 0.7, which is pretty similar to If City. Yeah, go check it out. And if you want a video of me like explaining 40 minutes or longer all the reasons I think it's the update to do, and try to convince all of you with all the arguments, then let me know. That's it for today. Bye.